This video was very important for us. This video, how to use InzoPay dApp. This dApp at first wallet connection, and this is home page. Home page, next portfolio. Here you can see your balance and breeze option. Here breeze your token any chain. Then you can see your point. My point are 56 point, and you can earn here. Lending with flexible term, this process, and earn with liquidity, and lending with fixed terms. These three options for earning. So earn here, and thanks for watching the video.